and welcome to Beauty Base. My name is Unbelieva-Brow and today I'll be giving you the most romantic date night makeup tutorial using some really awesome products that Telescopic sent me. Let's get into it. Using the L'Oreal Unbelieva-Brow gel to fill in my brows. It comes with a spoolie, so I'm just going to dip that and then apply it on my eyebrows. Then going in with my Revlon ColorStay Skin Awakening 24-hour concealer to conceal my brows. A flat brush will make sure that I properly conceal my brows. This is the Arden Flawless Finish Skin Caring Foundation, and I just like to apply a few swatches on my face and then blend it in with a brush. Now the trick with applying concealer under your eyes is to apply it at the corner of your eyes in an upward shape, just to give you that lifted eye look, and then your chin and then some on your forehead. Blush is a statement for any makeup look or any occasion, especially date night. And I'm using the Revlon 033 Very Berry Blush, and I'm just applying that on my cheekbones. To make my makeup look come to life, I'll be adding some eyeshadow, and how gorgeous is this eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. Starting off with the shade Strawberry Sweets, and I'll be adding that to the corner of my eye. Next up is the shade Danger, which is a stronger, dirtier pink, and I'll be applying that on top of my first shade. To make my eyeshadow more exciting, I'll be adding the shimmer shade called Festive Flame, and I'll be adding that from my inner eye to the middle. To add more depth to my eyeshadow, I'll be going in with Rosewood on my outer corners. For eyeliner, I'm using the Essence Extra Long Lasting Eyeliner Pen, and I'm just drawing a straight line from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner of my eye. Once that's done, I smudge the outer corners using some black eyeshadow. To prepare for lash application, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Extra Black Mascara. To set my makeup, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Powder, and I'm just going to dab that on my face. I have this beautiful highlighter from Essence, which I'm going to apply on my cheekbones. To finish things off, I'm using the Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick from Maybelline. And there you have it, your very own date night makeup look. You can shop all these products on takealot.com, and make sure to check out and follow Beauty Base on Instagram for more awesome makeup tutorials.